Okay, I'll read the card. Hi guys. So
Yeah?
Steffi sent us some goodies.
And that's our little brother seeing TV. Look at Johnny. Oh yeah, let's see what it says. Let me read it. Or Mom can read it. You can read it.
Okay.
Mom. Here, Johnny.
Enjoy your goodies and hope the kiddos enjoy theirs. Thanks for swapping with me. Thanks, Steffi. Thank you,
Ooh, I love
Steffi.
these poppers.
Okay, you can play with the poppers and the what? Not yet.
Oh, sorry. I was just so excited. Oh yeah.
What is it? Show me, babes.
Oh, guys.
You guys slowly,
Look,
slowly.
ribbons.
That's beautiful.
Look at this.
Oh, that's so
What
cool.
does it have inside?
Open it. Ooh, I think this is for mommy.
No.
Okay, we'll share our trinkets together.
Yeah. Oh,
That is so pretty. Oh, that's beautiful.
We should hang this up on the Christmas tree, right?
That would be cool too.
Because it's so beautiful. Oh man.
Show me the CD you got, Johnny. That's a cool CD. Here, let me put this to the side. That's cool. It has Mother Goose coloring and singing.
Oh,
That's
I
pretty
wonder
cool.
what's inside.
Go ahead. The tie's right here.
Open it. I can open it. Oh, no, that's clothing. Oh, I
Hold
got
on, hold on.
it. Nothing. Oh,
Ooh, that's pretty for decorating. Careful, just look inside. Let's look inside so we don't drop.
I want to see.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. It's okay. It's okay. Go ahead.
Oh,
You can take them out then. Go ahead and take them out.
look what we have here.
Careful,
What
slowly.
are these? Look over
Ooh, that's burlap, baby.
Oh.
That's to decorate. That's really pretty.
Oh, look at this leaf.
Oh, you have to put them back in here, okay? So mommy can decorate.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. This is beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't
That's
that
a blue
so
bonnet,
pretty?
right, Mom?
No, they're a little bit
They
more.
look like a
almost,
bonnet.
so,
It looks
yeah.
like from there.
Look at these. Wow, these are so pretty.
Those are my roses. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you something what I got. From
These are so pretty. Look at that.
This is what I bought from a place. It's a predator. Oh, look at this. It's pretty.
That is real nice, Mama. Show me.
Show me this. It's a nest.
Oh, that's mine. Careful, careful. That's mine, guys.
String.
I'll show you where we're gonna decorate. Yep.
Johnny.
Those are with the eggs. Look, there's some other eggs there. Look.
But they're on the bottom, right?
No, there's more in here. Look. Let me show you.
How?
But first open this, because I think this one's for you guys.
Johnny, open these. Oh.
Yep.
That is pretty.
Super cool. Right now we're gonna decorate. We're gonna put it in an area. I'll show you right now.
Cookie cutters. Mama, egg. I didn't
Yep,
see
there's
that.
the other egg.
And another egg. I see one. It's like an Easter egg. The cookie cutter.
Show me over here.
It's the moon.
Oh yeah.
La Luna. What is this? Cookie cutter.
Ooh.
What is this? Oh,
The pumpkin. And this is a bat. Look at the bat.
The ghost.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that.
And the
Juke.
bat. Awesome. These are
Awesome.
awesome. Look at these. It's like an Easter. These are pretty. Ooh, what are
Oh,
these?
this is pretty.
Are
It's a
these
little
like a Luna?
box. The Luna, yeah, it's a moon.
La Luna. Look
A pumpkin.
That is so cute. And the ghost.
And the ghost.
That is
Oh,
so
that is so cute. Show me, baby. Show me.
Look.
Oh, that is so pretty. That
Even
is.
these.
Oh, those are really nice.
Yeah. Oh, what is this? I think I got something.
That is really pretty.
Oh, it's like a exclamation mark. Cool. How do we open it?
Oh, okay. Here, let me help you open it.
Yep. Man, it's just a yellow.
Okay, go
that's
ahead.
it. Let's see what. Wait.
Open it. Go ahead.
Oh, Johnny! Oh, a yo-yo! Two yo-yos!
Oh, that is so cool.
What do you want, the red or the purple? Frankenstein? Or, the whatever.
Look at this stick pin. This is so pretty.
Oh, I
There's a
didn't see
shell
that.
and the pearl.
I'm gonna open this right now. What?
It's for playing, babes. Look at that. That is
You
so
just
pretty.
put
So
on your
just
cheek.
this- Yeah.
Your cheek. Yeah.
Why? They're kind of creepy. It's
I
okay.
wanna try one on.
Johnny wants
Which
to try
one
one
do you
on.
want? Which
Let's
one
go
do you want?
decorate the nest. Hold on. Okay, look, Steph. I am decorating my console table. So as you walk into my home, I have this table full of pictures right here, and I usually put a whole bunch of Halloween items and little decorations for whatever holiday. But I am placing the awesome nest that you send me, and it fits perfect. And then I have this that I'm gonna decorate as well, so it's gonna be perfect. And so thank you so much. Let me just show you the egg. I didn't show you the egg. Look at that, guys. That is so pretty. Super 2, 3.
Thank you, Stuffy. We love everything that you gave us.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much.